Hi guys, do you want to see how I changed the hair on the left to the hair on the right? It's the same hair, so just keep on watching. Do not skip, okay? And make sure you subscribe. So guys, this is the hair. It's this bright orange color, and we're changing it to black. It was supposed to be brown, but I didn't get brown in the market, so we're using black instead. And guys, I've not done this before, so this is my first time. Just keep on watching to see what happens. So guys, I just want to quickly show you what I did. This is the dye I'm using, right? Ignore these carrots. I'm in the kitchen. This is a dye I'm using. It's called Crusade something. Okay, this is it. And then this is the hydrogen to mix. So guys, I first did this section. I cut out a little bit of it. This is what it was looking like. And then I mixed the two. They said mix equal parts of the two and then put your hair in it. So I put it in this, and then it quickly changed. It was not even up to the instruction said to leave for 15 or 20 minutes, and I think I left this for 5 minutes because really I put it, something just says changing. So I want to try something. Like, I bought 3 of this, like 3 each. So I want to try to do the water bath method. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water in here. I have, let me get water in a cup. So I have my water now, just small. I'm just going to put it. You have to be careful because the thing stains the hand. Look at my fingers. And it doesn't come with a glove, but anyways. So this is just a test to see if the water bleach or water bath method is going to work. I'm going to give it a few minutes. Since I've added water, the process is going to take a longer time than when I first used it pure without adding anything. So I'll come back after a few minutes to check it. So this is the one from the water bath. It changed nicely, and then this is the first one from just straight up. So this is the two. This one from the water bath, and then this one I did like straight up putting it in the bleach, and they both changed. So I'm going to do the water bath just because I'm trying to manage this or make use of it wisely, because the container is quite small, so the quantity is small. I might use 2 and then add water since I bought 3. Come on, this carrot is entering. So I might use 2 instead and then use water depending on how the quantity is though. So guys, I kept on saying water bath or bleach bath. Sorry, I kept on saying water bath and water bleach. It's bleach bath, so don't mind me. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, so this is me trying to, put the dye and the hydrogen in this container. I went to go and put this thing, nylon, on my hands because, like I said, the dye didn't come with gloves, so, and I didn't want to stain my hand. One time I dyed my hair and I didn't put on gloves and everything was just black. Anyways, this is the pack. This is what it looks like. Guys, this thing is very strong. I feel like if you're going to do this using this same product, just do the bleach bath. Just add water to it because it is very, 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 very strong. I kept on, after this water I'm putting now, I added, and I think I added 2 times or 3 times after this. But anyways, this was the first amount I added, thinking it was going to be enough. I still went ahead to add, and this thing still changed. It didn't even waste time. Like when I first did with that small sample, it didn't waste time. It really changed. So I was just staring, and then this is the hair. Now I didn't have what do you call it, got to be spray, to protect this lace from staining, from turning black. So I just quickly checked online and I saw that you could use petroleum jelly. So that was what I was trying to do here. I just rubbed it on the lace all over, and it really worked. The lace wasn't stained. So if you don't have got to be spray to spray on your lace before bleaching your hair, then you can use this alternative, which is using petroleum jelly or Vaseline or whatever kind of petroleum jelly you have. So yeah, I rub this all over. I was using my toothbrush that I used to lay my edges whenever I'm doing my hair. You can use your toothbrush also, or you can use, I don't know if you can use your hands, or sorry, your fingers, I don't know, but shall look for something and make sure your hands are protected, especially from the dye, because like I said, it is very, very, should I say it's concentrated? Yeah, it is too strong. Yeah, so I rub this in all over the lace and I continue the process. Now I was putting the hair in the dye, right? And from here I saw that it was not going to be enough. I mean, look at how it already changed just by putting it in once. It was changed already. Like, can you see that? So I was trying to massage the stuff to make it going everywhere, and that was when I was saying that it's not going to be enough for it's not going to be enough for the top of the hair. So I went on to add water, and then as I was adding water, I was kind of scared that it might now make the dye to lose its strength, but it didn't happen. It's like even became stronger. Anyways, yeah, I was just massaging the stuff, then I added water. Can you see? This is the second time I'm adding. I put all of this. I went in to continue massaging again. I massaged, press, turn, do all of it, and it was still looking like the top wasn't going to get it, so I just had to turn it, put the top of the hair down so that it can go. I didn't want a situation where I wanted everything to be soaked in the dye, like let it be covered, like let me be seeing the liquid covering the whole hair. I didn't want that, okay, as it soaks like this, and then I felt like it was not going to work. So now that was what made me go to add water again. Can you see? This is the third time I'm adding water. I think this was all. I didn't add again after this, so I just massaged the stuff, just kept on. Then this is me checking to make sure that everything was okay, and I already got the brown color even from here. Did I mention that my client wanted brown? She wanted brown. So, and then look at the lace wasn't stained, so yeah, I was good with that part. So I got, it wasn't really black like jet black, but it was black. So I was just like, should I wash it off now, or let me just leave it, since she already even gave me the permission to go ahead with black. So I just left it. I even took it outside to go and check to make sure that everything was changed. Then I came back in, so I was just massaging again, and I didn't leave this thing for up to maybe, let's say, 5 minutes, but it wasn't up to 10. So yeah, I just pressed everything out, then I washed it with my shampoo. I'm not going to show that part. I washed it with my shampoo and then conditioned, and I kind of deep conditioned, left it for almost an hour, then washed it. Now the next clip you're going to see is me trying to style the hair, and I was to rewig it. So after this whole process, I loosened the whole stuff, then rewigged the hair and started styling. So you guys are going to see the clip where I am styling the hair, and yeah, just keep on watching. Don't skip. If you skip, you're going to miss something, so don't skip this video, just keep on watching, guys. So I just thought I should show you guys what the hair was looking like after I had washed out the conditioner. Make sure to condition your hair, deep condition it, leave it for hours if you can't. I was trying to work with time, so I had to rush and left it for like 30 to 1 hour. And then the parts where if you're using Vaseline for your closure, please do well to wash it very well, because I had to go back to wash it again. That was after washing here. That was after I removed it, I washed it. So this is what we have, guys. Like I said, this is my first time changing a hair color from to black. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I post hair tutorials and all that. So yeah, thank you for watching.